It's the winning trades that make traders profitable. A trader with a profitable strategy is not profitable because he is not getting the winning trades. Why would any trader with a profitable strategy not get the winning trades? I will give you my take in this video, but real quick. Hi, I'm Thomasin from Online Guru Trader. If you find this interesting, you may want to check out my new book called Trading Secrets, where I show you how to start getting winning trades. Click on the link somewhere here to find out more. Today, I'm going to decipher why traders with a winning strategy are not profitable and how you could overcome them. There are two main reasons for this. The first reason is fear of loss. Because of fear of loss, we tend to second guess our trades to avoid getting into losing trades. This seems like a good thing, but it is not. When we start to avoid taking potential trades, we start to miss getting into winning trades. We do avoid getting into some losing trades, but we will also miss getting into winning trades. Here's the thing we need to understand. Avoiding losing trades will not make us profitable. It only enables us to have lesser losses because it is the winning trades that enable us to be profitable. If all we did was to avoid losing trades and we actually managed to do it, we will still not be profitable if we are not getting the winning trades. So getting the winning trades is more important than trying to avoid losing trades. And here's the thing, when we try to avoid losing trades by not getting into potential trades that come along our way, we at the same time also avoid getting into winning trades unknowingly. In the end, by avoiding trades, we are not profitable because we avoid getting into winning trades. This is one of the reasons why traders with a profitable strategy are not profitable, and it is because of their fear of loss. Fear is a negative emotion that affects our trading results. And it's not just fear which affects our trading results. Almost all negative emotions like greed, sadness, unhappiness, frustration, and anger, they all affect our trading results. One of the fastest and quickest way to overcome any negative emotion is to change our physical state and think of positive thoughts to have positive emotions. We can do that first by breathing deep, standing upright to change our physical state, followed by thinking of the things we are grateful of because gratitude is a positive emotion. If we do it right, by feeling gratitude, we can totally overcome any negative emotion. Without feeling fear of loss and other negative emotion, we could start to trust our strategy by not missing potential trade setup and start getting the winning trades. We can then let our profitable strategy work its unfair advantage over the markets over time. Before I elaborate on the next reason, if you find this helpful, you may want to check out my new book called Trading Secrets, where I share with you how you could be more profitable in your trading. Click on the link somewhere here to find out more. Another reason why traders are not profitable even with a profitable strategy is because of reaction time. Let's say we trust our strategy and we want to take the trades that come along our way, including the winning trades and the losing trades. Our reaction time will still hinder us from getting the winning trades. Let me illustrate this by showing you why this is the case. Price either move up, down, or sideways. Since sideways movement will not cause us to lose or profit, we will take it out of the equation. Price got to move up or down for us to profit or lose. In the case where we want to buy low and sell higher later, there is always a price level that we are willing to buy. Because if the price is too high, we will not go in to buy. So let's say the price level that we want to get in to buy is at this price level. Same for winning trades and for losing trades. And this is the price level to cut loss. And again, same for winning trades and for losing trades. And this is the price scale. And over here, you can see that this is the time scale. Let's number it 1, 2, 3, 4, and it could represent 1 hour, 1 day, or even 1 week. So in this example, let's assume it's 1 hour. 1 would represent the first hour, and 2 will represent the second hour, and so on. With price coming to this price level, assuming we will buy here at this price level, there will be two possible outcomes. Either it goes up and we are profitable, or it goes down to our stop loss and we lose. You can see from here that we have shorter reaction time to get into winning trades compared to having a longer reaction time to getting into losing trades. This is the reason why traders with a profitable strategy are not profitable, because they do not have enough time to react and get into the winning trades. There is a solution to tackle this problem, and that is to have a longer term view of your trades. By looking at trades on the longer term view, you will have more reaction time. With more reaction time, you will be able to catch the winning trades before it moves. I hope you'll find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.